Alright guys, we're here again for another edition of the Dutty Berry Show. Alright, it's your girl Kira, aka Pepito, and your girl Kayla. Alright, and we're actually here. I don't know if you can just zoom in on that sign up there, but we're here in the Spring Plaza.
Yes.
Okay?
Right between KFC and Azan.
But you know what? We actually have special guests.
Yeah, we do.
Or should I say guests?
Yeah.
Up in the building. Okay?
But I think they're fun.
Where
No,
are
we're not telling them.
Yeah, but
Then if you're not telling them, you're not.
Alright, tell them, we don't want to hear who.
We don't want to really hear. But 2010,
We don't know if we remember them, but them are the 2010.
2010, right? It's your 2010 Dancing
Dynamite
Duo Card Unit! Woo! Hey guys, what's up? Nice to
How you doing? Yeah, man.
Alright, so introduce yourself, say bye.
Yeah, the kids clubs, you know what I mean? Speed 45 speed.
A cutie.
Yeah, them kids. That was them Chinese brown.
Wow, look at Brown.
Alright, so as we had said, these guys got nominated in the 2011 Youth View Awards alongside Shady Squad and you guys don't remember? Well, they have been nominated and we want to find out who you guys think should be the various category winners.
And besides that, we have also other categories. So we're going to be doing a box pop right here in Halfway Tree Square, trying to find out from you young viewers who you thought was the best for 2010. All right.
I tell you how to put you stepping when you can. I tell you how to put you stepping when you can. I turn it on, my baby, won't you come? I turn it on, my baby. Check it out. Baby, you looking fire hot. I have you open.
What's your favorite music ever?
Well, you don't know, say I got to sing there and that was there. You don't know it back concentrate jeans and fitted.
No, I'm over there. We must have been there. Girl must say.
And I'm here with...
Strictly Chemical.
All right, cool. What you think is for your best entertainment show? Intense, RETV, or ER?
Everybody know who? Let's see. Intense.
So you hear it, guys. It's Intense with Pepe.
Don't know, I'm smushed between the Fortis guys. I have that attraction to them. Yeah, Fortis for life. Who do you think should be the favorite male international artist of the year for the Youth View Awards 2011? Yeah.
I think my brother should be the male international artist because he has been influential since the beginning of last year.
Alright.
And he's doing well so far.
Alright, what you say? What you think? Alright, so go to the straight. Alright. Gonna done hear it from the Fortis guys.
Alliance to say, no?
Alright.
Who you would consider your best male fashion icon for the year 2010?
Well, for me, I've always liked Beanie Man. You know the doctor can dress from a long time and always come out proper. Always look dressed to see and
Who you think should get the favorite dance group at 2010 at the Youth View Awards?
Boy, may I tell you, we are forced Car Unit to the fullest, and we have bad fuck. Well, you know this is Speed 45 from Car Unit, and this is Danger. Yeah, so who you think are the favorite male artists at the game?
Well, unless in peace, I can't expect it still.
Here with my girls and Dorian from the Edith Dalton James High School. All right, and I need to know who you think is the best cultural artist for 2010.
I think that it is Ioxin, the best cultural artist.
Okay.
And I think it's Kitana.
Why you think it's Kitana? You just really love her music? All right.
We think she should be the favorite female dancer for 2010.
Well, seriously though, I think Mystic because she all,
Yeah.
everything.
You like her?
Mad.
See?
Not the other way.
She
She cool, you see. Sound system would you give for 2010 in the Youth Award?
Renaissance.
Why? What's so special about Renaissance?
I'm here with none other than the St. George's College boy. Alright, so what's the name? Just we're on the corner. What's the name, hon?
Color.
Alright.
Shut up, DJ Turban.
Who you think is your favorite video director for the year 2010?
Well, J-Will music.
Yeah.
J-Will.
Hi, for the people that said J-Will, it's J-Will. Win best selector there.
Do it like school challenge with like
Yeah.
Who you think should win?
Bambino.
No man and a son to do it.
DJ Bambino. Yeah, do it like that.
Your favorite media personality for 2010. So what's the pick?
He's a Miss Fluffy still, you know.
Oh, Miss Kitty, love it to the world. I'm kind of fluffy myself still, you know. Yeah.
Them things that will man. Kind of bring up the, you know, the bigger people, them, and make them know, say, oh, them are somebody too.
Alright. Alright. So you the boss man.
Bambino to the thing, you see, tip from my ears all day.
Love
Still, and I'm with Aberdeen. Say to the cameraman, darling. I'm Aberdeen. And which school are you representing, or which school you're representing?
Mona High School.
Okay, Miss Mona High. Your opinion, who you think is your best fashion icon female of the year? Is it Tamichin? Is it Tippo? Or is it Spike? I'll say Spike.
Guys, who you feel should be the young hot and hype male of the year?
Patel.
Oh.
Yes, I need to know from your perspective who you think is the hot and hype female of the year.
Give it to Spice.
What you think?
Nah, give it to Tito.
And we're trying to find out from this gentleman right here, whose name is? Alright, cool, Richie. And I want to know who you think is the best male dancer for the year.
Well, this Ding Dong is one of them.
Ding Dong?
Yeah.
You like him with swagger and style.
Like Ding Dong and swagger.
Still, and I'm here none other than with Norman Manley High School. Introduce yourself, guys, to the camera. Shanika Baker. Alright, and yours?
I am wearing straight.
Okay, guys, now I need to know, regarding the Youth View Awards, right? I would like to know who you think is your favorite local group or duo. RDA.
Wish.
I think it should be DJ Nicholas. Yeah, the song where you have exercising song.
Like workout.
Yeah, workout song. That was hot. That was good. Yeah. So
Alright.
DJ Nicholas.
And I am here with a group of students. I think you guys can recognize the colors. You know, we got the green, yeah, Calabar, all right, and we also got Meadowbrook ladies. Okay, how are you guys feeling today? Introduce yourselves.
Well, I'm Steven, a opposite farm student.
All right, cool. I'm Shanti, opposite farm student of Panama. All right, cool.
My name is Prince, opposite student at Calabar.
I'm Melissa, opposite student at Melbourne.
All right, guys. So I would like to know your choice, of course, who you think got for best local music video.
I would probably say certified.
So all you guys thought it was? Yeah.
All of us agree.
All of us agree.
Certified provide.
All right, so you heard it. It's Certified Diva with Tamichin featuring Simple.
Hey students,
Hey.
who is your favorite celebrity role model?
Yanni.
Yeah, you like her?
Yeah.
We think should we favorite female dance group?
At the Youth View Awards.
Oh, what? God unit, we of course.
don't know.
The argument in that Spade 45 Chris Club and Cash Diamond to the fullest.
So want to be in it too.
What? Let them know how I go.
You getting that? Just come like you walk, come in, and then just like
Excuse me, good day. You know this is Star Duty. Your name is? Yodi? Oh, nice to meet you. I'm going around and doing some interview about this nominated thing. So, who do you think is the best short topic artist of the year? The song. Hey.
no, we're not now. Introduce yourself to the camera, guys. I'm Shanika, baby boy. Alright, and yours? Oh, you're love. Why? Show up. Hey!
Sure. But the guys want to put their hands around me. Alright, they are some Syed. I'm here with 3 shy guys. And I would like to ask you guys a question. That's all.
Alright, so we got DJ Liquid up in the front, we got DJ Bambino, and we also have DJ Struddy. Alright, Struddy.
The people can't pronounce.
Run the one.